What's up, growies? Um, so we had a big old storm last night, and yesterday it was super windy. As you can see, I still need to pick some stuff up. But let's go check our garden now. Let's see how it's looking, see what's damaged. All right. Oh man, it's not looking too pretty over here. Okay, looks like my my dill's doing well. The cucumber's still growing. Nice, nice. How about peppers? They I don't know. They're starting to take off, but it's been a while. Wow. Wow. What are we going to do here? Wow, I'm going to have to prop that up a little bit. I'm going to definitely have to fix those and stake them with something, or I don't know if they're going to survive. But yeah, here are the tomatoes. Looks like they actually did pretty well. It looks like they survived, as well as the peppers. We do have a few small peppers on there. We got another one right here, and then that one. Dang, I need to stake this one too. It's kind of leaning. Oh, what else do we got? Did anything else get damaged over here? Look at all that life. Look at all that life. All right. We got our spearmint. We got our basil. I cut it and I'm trying to see if it'll grow back. I do see two little new sprouts right here, so that's a good thing. Lettuce is still terrible. We do got some flowers poking up over here. I planted some sunflowers too. Cucumbers are still not doing well at all. And then over here, see if y'all know what this is. Not the mushrooms. These are onions that we planted about a week ago. Sorry. Anyways, I think that's a sunflower, maybe not. Who knows? But I guess that's about all we got in our garden today. It looks like just the corn seems to be messed up. Let me get an up close of that for y'all. Like I said, the wind was freaking crazy. All right, and here we are. I tried to straighten it up a little bit. I still need to get a better stake for this one. But the good thing is, this one's starting to finally take off. This little small one. So, that's a good thing. Maybe put some more dirt down there as well. Anyways, for the most part, it looks like everything survived. Nothing got just blown out the ground, other than our tables back here. That table's at least 60 pounds. So, whoa. Anyways, that is it for this video chat, and I'll catch y'all later.